Hey guys, I'm Courtney, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home. I've been doing my nails since December of this previous year, and I do them using Polygel, which is a mixture of acrylic and gel. So it's not as thin as gel. The difference between it and acrylic, though, is that it needs UV light to cure. So acrylic dries instantly with air, whereas Polygel does not. So I've been using the McCart polygels, and I'll tag the products down below. But I found that just using the forms isn't as effective. I tend to get buildup underneath this. If it's too top heavy, then it can snap at the tip of your natural nail. So I came up with a different way to use polygel. So I decided to combine both of the methods, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. This works with any nail shape. I just for some reason wanted to do like an almond nail or like round or whatever these thumbs are. I honestly don't know, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and that's basically it. Yeah, so I'm gonna get right into it.
Okay, so this is my third time recording this now, so hopefully I get it right. I'm going to only be doing my pinky and my thumb in this. So I'm going to first lightly buff the top of the nail. You don't want to do this too hard. And then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol on like a cotton swab or a cotton pad, and I'm going to be rubbing off all the extra dirt on my nails. I'm going in with a dehydrator and a primer. I'm going to use the dehydrator first. You want to be really careful with the primer because you can burn your skin, which I have done, and it hurts. Now I'm going in with some nail glue, and I'm going to be putting on nail tips. I got these ones from Sally's, and they're not that great, but they do the job, so that's fine. I'm going to be cutting them before putting them on. I don't know why, but it kind of helps me. And then I am going to start filing. You want to file to get your desired shape now rather than later, because then you don't, like, the plastic is going to be seen underneath of the polygel, and you'll understand this in a second. It's kind of hard to explain. So this is my UV lamp, and it's broken right now. I was showing that. I dropped it on the floor. It's funny. Now going in with a base coat, and my camera would not focus, so that was kind of annoying. But I'm now curing that in the lamp. Now I'm taking a polygel and a dual form, and my sister just sneezed, and I'm just putting the polygel in the dual form. This is really chaotic. And then I'm going to be putting the dual form onto my nail. I can breathe. So yeah, you want to make sure that you press it down all the way so that the polygel oozes over top. I messed up on this nail, and you can kind of see that, but I went back in and fixed it later. And then you file, correct it, and then you're good. Now it's got, you know, your nail on the nail tip on the bottom, and it's got the polygel on top, so it's going to be nice and secure. Now you're going to go in and paint it however you want, like I did here. I don't know why I did this nail shape. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.